Well, listen, if you are serious to make money and achieve peak wellness, then watch this video till the end. And if you have your full attention, I promise you, after this video, your life will change completely. I guarantee you this. But first, let's ask one question. What is the highest happy choice of your life? Is it your work, or is it the freedom and free time to do whatever you want? I ask you again, what's the best choice, work or freedom? Because when you work for someone, you are selling your greatest asset of your life. You are selling your time. Rich people buy assets, they don't sell them. They don't buy liabilities. They buy time, stocks, skills, health, real estate. You can work as a banker and you cannot enjoy your money. How can if you've been busy at work? Well, life is short, and the true freedom is being your own boss and being free to decide for your own self the place and time you want to work. True freedom is having more time with yourself and doing whatever you dream and what you like to do. And also, one thing you don't know for sure if you are still broke, unhealthy and desperate. You don't know that you possess every power to change everything starting from today. Yes, today you can change. The standard is the supreme subconscious want. Everything in life is measured by capacity to further that want. How much you want it and how much you work to reprogram it into your subconscious till it become a habit. And let me tell you, the course of your life is determined by the things you unconsciously leave undone as by the things you consciously do. Just write these sentences down and ponder about it. I know with your conscience you brush your teeth, you go to work, you eat breakfast, you go for coffee. I know this bullshit, but I mean what's behind it? Your vision for life, your thoughts. What is the thoughts running inside the background? Your habits. Ask yourself right now, what is running in the background? For example, what are you thinking about money and health? What is your purpose in life? What are your ambitions? Are you building momentum or no every single day? How do you act in a certain situation? With fear or courage? Or is it kind of same every time? Ever you stop to think about what you are doing in your life with repetition, same again and again? Just think about it, because you might be reprogrammed to fail and act the same way you are now doing it. So take a look and ponder over it. For example, starting from your habits, one thing is clear, and it's the law of universe. If you don't possess positive emotional energy and practical positive habits to make yourself stronger each day, then you can never change. Your life will run like train schedules, like a dead man without emotional power, and somebody stealing your time, energy and money. So ask yourself, because before 2 years I was laying bricks on cold and snow, like a dumb ass dude, but yesterday I closed high ticket clients with a simple ad on my ads manager. Ask yourself, do you possess the enthusiasm to change, or are you colorless, bloodless, lifeless? Which man you want to become? Second, realize that whatever you desire to come true in your life can be brought to pass if you really want it. It can be brought to pass by the same power that has bought most of the things you have in your life right now. It can be bought by your own subconscious mind. Just ponder on a few minutes on your thoughts, feelings and moments that brought you in the moment you are right now. The wealth you possess, the emotional intensity, the health, the circumstances you are right now. They are all product of supreme subconscious want. So you can plant in your subconscious soil the seed of anything you truly desire. And according to the nature and the power of thought, it will bring forth the realization and the quality of your desire. So you must stop filling this great battery with negative energy. By right thinking, you can make all it energy positive, and the positive energy and positive force will bring to pass whatever you truly desire. Build a high purpose thought, change frequency, change vibration, change habits, change environment, change lifestyle. This might not change your life in a day. The subconscious might not respond to a thought until many times it's repeated. The only thing it reacts instantly is the feeling, repetition. So to turn the thoughts into feelings needs time, needs repetition. And everything you desire might be health, wealth, whatever. There is only one key secret. You have to be aware about your subconscious, and also second secret, to be aware of outside the world. In every moment you use your conscience, 5 senses, you hear, you smell, you taste or feel. Every moment you breathe, every moment you can absorb the negative thoughts, the negative energy and emotions. Because let me tell you, man is a unit. Each human being is an organized community of living cells, and which there are 26 trillion of cells in the commonwealth of brain and body. The intimate relationship between all the cells in the human organism is affected through two channels, the nervous system and the circulatory system. The living cables of the nervous system, as I explained in my previous videos, run from the brain through the spinal cord to the solar plexus and branch and rebranch until practically every cell in your body has its own tiny nerve by means of this sensitive system, and any part of brain or body instantly influences for health, disease, poverty, richness, happiness or distress. So it influences every other part of the organism. To illustrate this to yourself, how quickly the outside world, even without even contacting you, affects the body, just remember what happens to your life when you smell something which you wasn't pleased. The impression was scared to the brain, which instantly sent a mental telegram with nerve wires to your stomach. If it was unpleased, you become nauseous and also feel vomited. So now imagine how much you are derived and sustained from the quality of your nervous system. So to train the nervous system, the spinal cord especially, I spoke to one of the previous videos, there are some natural ways to strengthen this center which control your courage and destiny of your life. Jim Rohn said a quote which I love most: to be a different person, to attract success, you need to prepare your mind, body and spirit. An optimistic, strong mindset, self-knowledge and self-development for the outside world. And I want to end this video with 8 rules to open the doors of everything in your life, taken by the book of Elsie called Benedict, one of my favorite writers, one of my favorite book, because it speaks about the new psychology of thought. The book is called How to Get Anything You Want. The rule number 1, time. Don't let nobody steal your time. If you are just to survive, don't be that foolish man who spends 8 to 9 hours making somebody rich and can't invest 2-3 hours to build your own skills and business. Work part-time just to pay rent, food and gym. Grind the other hours to invest in your time. Don't merely spend it. Have a plan for using spare time productively through self-improvement. And also, as this habit can open the doors of opportunity, be careful to be focused, concentrated. This book also warns against wasting time with unambitious people. 2, unworthy pursuits. This is very important. Rule number 2, spirit. Have the right spirit. Be kind, tolerant, fair. Approach every person, situation and every condition, everything in your life with the right spirit. Be patient. Don't get angry, but pause and breathe. Gain energy. Build a great spirit, a great magnetic personality. Pray to God and ask Him to direct you. Yeah, and rule number 3 is personality. Study your own and develop a magnetic personality. Either you irritate people, interest them, or leave them indifferent to your life. Which you will choose? Rule number 4. I would say this is the greatest rule of your life: health. Without health, you don't have nothing. Safeguard your health. The average man is committing suicide by inches, digging his grave with his teeth and driving nails into his coffin with stimulants, chemicals, toxins, overeating, lack of rest or sleep, or other forms of bodily abuse. Instead, care for your body, for longevity and vitality. And by this way, I'm a fitness coach, gym instructor, I'm a holistic health. So if you want to optimize your body composition, inner health, boosting energy, testosterone, sex drive, then feel free to book a free consultation from the link in my bio. And now, rule number 5. Power your subconscious mind by guarding your thinking. Thoughts are the power. Destroy limited beliefs. Use emotional intensity. Use visualization to build constructive thought. Use repetition. And if you want more about this, book a consultation with me and check my previous or upcoming videos because they teach more about this. Rule number 6. Power your individuality and authenticity. Be yourself. Believe in yourself, in your thoughts, not in your parents, not what media say, not what your culture say, and not even what governments say. This rule is actually one of the greatest to change the direction of your life. Rule number 7, self-care. Do what you love to do. Rest, travel, have the right vacation. Take pride on your personal appearance. Take pride on your clothes, grooming, cleanness, taste. and general appearance. Here is not mean to say luxury brands, but have great style to smell good, stay clean. Rule number 8, study brain, self-development. Learn as much as you can about the human brain. Also understand the 5 human personality. Understanding human nature, emotions and their thoughts hold key opportunities and helps recognize their needs. I hope this video helps to change your life, and if you are struggling with life directions, with health issues or mental health problems, check the link in my bio to have a free consultation, subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you again in the next videos. Thank you, see you soon.